Okay, so I will explain this on kill part. Okay, first of all, this is another example. So I'm in root. Okay, so I'm in root. You can use this thing in both root or a student. Okay, you can root or a student. You can use it. Okay, try in a root only. So maximum try in root. Okay, so try in root only, or you can use a student also, no problem. But I'm using root only, so you can use both the things. Okay. Okay. Now, when I use this one, it will show output. It will show output. Okay, it will show output, but it will give you a very big output, right? So this much of big output is there, and again, I'm not able to see what is the previous things also, right? Okay, okay. People are joining one by one. The recorded, no, so it will take saving points. So it's okay, it's okay. I will wait. No problem. I'll explain it again. Okay. So where is any new? Okay. Okay. Given so one more, not one more. Two people should come. Actually, okay. Hitesh is not at came. Arjun Gan. It's showing 10, but I'm to log in 2 times. It is showing 2 times. It's okay. Okay, guys. So when I use this thing, I can see a particular process only. So based on the command or a particular line, you can use it. For example, I use SSHD. Then I can see only SSHD parts only. SSHD only. If I use student, then all student process I can able to see it. Or I can specify particular student also to see the process. So like that, if somewhere in this location there is a process, it's very difficult to look at, right? So you have to scroll down, scroll up. And here is this many processes. Actually, how many process running here? Okay, so WC, if you see 146 process are there. If you go through any server side, lot of services running from server side, and how many servers are there? Almost services like a 200, 300, 400 services are running. Then it is very difficult, right? So to look at a particular process. What's happening? 1 second, guys. Okay. Signing here in Pune. Now. Okay, so here my point is whenever I use this only command, it will show all output, right? So all the lines. So I want to grep it. Grep means filter command. So if my pattern matches, if my pattern text matches, that line will be displayed. For example, I put a SSHD. So I will show you this SSHD. Grep SSHD. So it is showing, see, this is one line only. This is one line only. So don't worry, this is one line only. But you can see these SH parts. Okay, like we can able to see, right? So if you use a student or a student wise also, you will get it. Or if you can give a specific keywords, then we can see the particular keywords also. For example, bash. So wherever the bash is connected to whom it is connected for root and student, and a new command is also given in bash, right? So that is bash also showing. So we can understand from here like that. Okay. So grep actually used for this kind of purposes only. Main purpose is this one. That's why I said whenever I said grep, grep is very, very important command. Okay. Next. So I use this command to filter out my sleep output. Okay. Sorry. It is gone. It is not there now. It is got killed, right? So I am using again sleep 100 %. Okay. So this is a process ID. It is we can able to see, but don't go for it. So I am going for this one only. Now I am getting this output. Okay. I'm getting this output. So I'm putting output for understanding purpose. Can you see this is a process ID? This is process ID. Now what to do? I want to kill this process. I want to kill this process. Kill 1714. So process got killed. You want to verify? You can verify with this one. Again, you should copy. Copy, paste. So again, if you run this one, okay, once you got killed, so I'm going to kill this process 1714. Once you kill, and then if you run this process, it is showing it is terminated. It is showing terminated like this. Okay, this is output. It is showing here. It is terminated like this. So this is the practical. Okay. Next, in the kill, different kill things are there. So kill space hyphen L. If you give like this, it's L. Okay, kill space hyphen L. So you can see a lot of kill signals are there. Totally 64 kill signals are there. Out of these 64 kill signals, there are main important is first one 9, 15, and 20. Okay, this is the first kill signal. Okay, sorry. First is important. Okay, 9. Okay, next one is 9, 15, next 20. Okay, so these 4 are important. Remaining are depends upon the situations and like a count, stop, like this kind of stuff is there, right? So this is a stop the process. This is if process is stopped, we can start it. Sig hub, sig ts tp stop process, sig kill, sig term. When I use this kill, if you see kill 1714 and then I kill the process, right? But actually I didn't kill the process. I terminate the process. Okay, terminated. You can see terminated. Okay, so we'll do same practical with the signal. Okay, by default, when you are giving like this, okay, it is called a terminated. This is the termination 15. By default it is a the signal is in a sig kill is 15. Okay, the kill process is 15 by default. Okay, if you don't want 15, you have to specify. For example, I want to use this 9, then kill hyphen 9 17 14 like that. I have to use it. If I don't use anything, it is a term only. So again I'm running. This is the process and this is the process ID, and I'm going to kill the process, right? So kill hyphen 9 17 20. Now I kill the process. You can see killed. If I use 9, it means killed process. If I don't use anything, by default it is a terminate. If I use 15, this is also terminate only. Okay, so this is also you can try and you can look at this one. Okay, so types of signal killing. Okay, it means I start a process and check for a process. This is not required. Okay, and then I kill the process with hyphen 9 and I verified the process, and process is showing like this. Okay, so like this. This is not required. This is we should remove from here. Okay, this is the command, right? So I will give you a gap. Now, guys, try and verify this kill also. I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will go with the top command and other process. Foreground, background process is there. That is very important process. Okay. I will show you how to do it. I will also try. I didn't done any stop and stopping kind of stuff. It is quite easy. Kill -20 for a stop, right? 1725. So again, check it. It is process is stop. We can see the stop. But one is not working anyway. So last time I checked it. No, process is running. So this is practically you can also do it. Stop signal, stop the process, and also we can start the process from here, right? I'll put it in. Okay. Don't worry. Earlier days for a graph, we should give earlier days we should give color. We should give hyphen color. We should give, but the new thing is directly it is showing in colors. Okay. Okay. Don't worry about what is 1 plus stop. 1 means it's a job. It is actually background process, right? So then it is showing like okay. So again, process is running. Once this 100 seconds completed, automatically the process will completed. So you cannot run. Okay, like that. Okay.